Are you tired of missing the best exchange rates because you forget to check? I mean, it happens to the best of us. You see a great rate one day, you think, I'll transfer tomorrow, and then the next day, it's gone. It's frustrating, right? Well, the good news is you can stop worrying about that right now. In just about 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic daily alerts inside your Wise account so you never have to manually check again. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click inside Wise to create a daily exchange rate alert. We'll start from your profile and work our way through to the final save. Let's get started. First up, make sure you're logged into your Wise account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile. That is usually the little icon in the top right corner, often your initials or a small picture. Just give that a click. Now, from that profile menu, you are going to select Notifications. This is the central hub for everything Wise will ping you about, from transfers to your balance, and of course, your rates. Click on Notifications. All right, now that you are in the Notifications section, you need to find where all the rate-related stuff lives. Look for the option that says Exchange Rate Alerts and click on it. This is where you manage any alerts you already have and where you'll create new ones. And here's the fun part. On this page, you should see a button that says Create a New Alert. Go ahead and click that. This is where we build your custom alert from scratch. Now, this is where you actually set your preferences. First, change the currency. This is the most important step. You need to tell Wise which currency pair you want to track. For example, if you are in the US and sending money to Europe, you'd pick the US dollar to euro rate. You can set up a different alert for each pair you care about, so take a second here to choose the one that matters most to you. Next, look for the toggle that says Daily Updates. This is the secret sauce. If you want to get a notification every single day with the current rate, you need to make sure this toggle is switched on. It's usually a simple on or off switch. Just make sure it shows that it is enabled or active. This way, it becomes totally automatic. You wake up and the rate is just there, waiting for you. Once you have your currency set and the daily updates toggled on, just click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. That saves the alert and activates it. You should get a confirmation that everything is set. And that's it. Seriously, it takes less than 2 minutes from start to finish. Now you have a little automated assistant inside your Wise account that sends the daily rate straight to you without you having to lift a finger. No more checking websites every morning, no more trying to remember what the rate was yesterday, just easy, consistent updates so you can make your move when the time is right. Go ahead and set that up now and let your phone do the worrying for you.